Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PocketGuard budgeting app. Review my personal finance tracking experience. PocketGuard is a budgeting app designed to help individuals and families track their spending, manage their finances, and save more effectively. It aims to simplify budgeting by showing users how much money they have in their pocket after accounting for bills, savings goals, and other commitments. Key features include automatic transaction syncing, spending categorization, budgeting tools, and goal setting. Their website provides details on the app's features and different subscription tiers. PocketGuard emphasizes its ease of use and aims to make budgeting accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial literacy. It boasts a clean interface and automated features to streamline the process. They offer both free and paid versions, with the paid version unlocking additional features like unlimited budgets and detailed transaction history. They often highlight their In My Pocket feature, which clearly shows users their available spending money. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PocketGuard. Setting up the app was a breeze. I connected my bank accounts and credit cards within minutes, and PocketGuard automatically categorized my transactions. The initial syncing process did take a few hours, but that's to be expected. Navigating the interface is quite intuitive. The In My Pocket feature is front and center, giving me a clear picture of my available funds at a glance. I also appreciated the visual representation of my spending broken down by category, making it easy to identify areas where I could cut back. I set up a savings goal for a new laptop, and the app helped me track my progress. Performance-wise, the app has been very reliable. I haven't experienced any crashes or syncing issues. I did have a quick question about customizing budget categories, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful answer. One minor drawback was the limited customization options within the free version. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the automatic transaction categorization was a huge time saver. The standout feature for me was definitely the In My Pocket calculation, as it simplified my budgeting process significantly. While the free version has limitations, it's a great starting point. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PocketGuard and would recommend it, especially to those new to budgeting or looking for a simple and effective way to manage their finances. That's my overview of PocketGuard budgeting app. Review my personal finance tracking experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.